Well, the Ice Skating Association of India organized a 3-day National Ice Skating Championship at the country's first all-year ice skating rink, Ice Skate, located in Gurgaon over the weekend. The National Championship saw more than 300 skaters making their mark. More in this report.
Ice skating as a game is still in its nascent stage in India. But a look at these young boys and girls competing at the 13th National Ice Skating Championship at the Ice Skate Ice Rink in Indian Mall gives hope that the game is surely on its way up the ladder of popularity. Owing to less snowfall and cloudy weather condition in Shimla, Gurgaon has got the chance to host the championship, and over 300 ice skaters competed for a spot in next year's Winter Olympics.
सबसे बड़ी बात है कि आइस रिंक होनी चाहिए, जो हमारी सबसे कमी है। देहरादून में एक रिंक है, बंद पड़ा है। ये रिंक है, वास्तव में ये रिंक जो फुल साइज का 1/3 रिंक है, जिसमें खिलाड़ी को प्रैक्टिस करने में कठिनाई होती है। बस स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया से इतनी प्रार्थना है कि कोई न कोई कम से कम विंटर में एक आइस रिंक ऑपरेट हो, जो पारम होता है, सस्ता खर्चा कम पड़ता है। एक बार हमारी प्लानिंग की प्रपोजल दिया था हमने स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया को, तो उन्होंने जो है शिमला से आगे जो उनका साइंस सेंटर है वो बनाने की बात की थी, पर बात वो वहीं पर ही बंद हो गई थी।
The change of venue has given the host barely 2 days in which to get ready to welcome the skaters, but they rose to the challenge. The indoor rink can accommodate up to 200 skaters at any given point of time.
There is so much of potential, there's so much of talent that we had more than 300 kids from all over India coming to ice skate. And, they were here for a training camp, and then they're here for the training, for the championship post the training camp. So looking at the talent, the sheer spirit that each and every child has here, who's coming to represent a sport which is completely unknown in all over India. Looking at these children, looking at their passion, you can see that there is an immense need to develop the sport.
The championship also saw some heartwarming stories. Meet Rajkumar Tiwari, son of a street vendor from Paharganj. His family relocated to New Delhi from Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh in 2008 to take treatment for his hyperactivity disorder. His father Ramesh has been selling hair clips on a pavement at New Delhi Sadar Bazaar for the last 6 years. Rajkumar made headlines when he won the gold at 2013 Special Olympics World Winter Games in South Korea in the singles competition. It was India's first international gold in a sport few know about in the country. But lack of financial support pushed him back to selling trinkets on the pavement, and the golden boy was lost in the chaotic bylands of Delhi Sadar Bazaar. He did not lose hope, however, and made sure he trained as regularly as he can afford to. Every once in a while, when you're down and out, help comes from the most unexpected places. Rajkumar's story got him noticed by none other than just retired Mukul Mudgal, who directed his payment for the supervising IPL 2016 matches at Delhi's Firozshah Kotla to be passed on to the ice skater. The latest grant is a new lease of life for Tiwari and his dream to participate in the Winter Olympics under the Indian flag.
जब मैं स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स जीता तो उस टाइम तो कुछ एम्स नहीं था, कुछ माइंड मोटिवेशन नहीं था, बस प्रैक्टिस। लेकिन जैसे जैसे परफॉर्मेंस इम्प्रूव होते गए, थोड़ी सी परेशानी आई, बहुत सारी मजबूरियां थी उसके अंदर। उससे लड़ करके जब हम घरों तक पहुंचे, हमारा लोग जानने लगे, हाँ यार ये फिगर स्केटिंग करते हैं यहाँ जिस गेम, क्योंकि 2013 2012 में हम बताते थे आइस स्केटिंग के बारे में कुछ सुनता नहीं था। लेकिन उसके बाद तो एक रिलेशनशिप जुड़ गया और वो चलता रहा, उसके लिए ही अभी बरकरार है।
Then there is Anup Kumar Yama, a well-known ice skater who won World Championship in artistic roller skating at Taiwan, apart from grabbing gold medals in various international games. Anup is the only skater in India to participate in 10 World Championships. His partner in figure skating, Aldrin, is confident that the game has the potential to succeed in India.
When I'm performing, there are a lot of youngsters, upcoming skaters who want to be champions, who want to, be like me and perform and stand there up for India. So for me, at this one point of time, it's like I want to show the kids that, firstly, you enjoy and do justice to what all you have learned. and at the same time be responsible and do your techniques properly. Try to learn from the past experiences and make sure that you don't make those mistakes which you've done in the past.
I always loved the sport. I started skating at the age of 7. So I was since then fond of this sport, and I've always dedicated myself to the sport. And India being this sport is not very popular in India, but we are trying to popularize the sport in this country. And for gaining recognition, we want to popularize and make this sport go way ahead from where we are. We want to reach the Olympics. That's our target.
Ice skating is a popular game in Europe and other parts of the world. But in India, it is yet to make a mark in a big way. But the stories of Rajkumar, Anup Kumar Yama and Aldrin surely will act as a catalyst. The game of ice skating has caught the imagination of Indian public in a big way, with more than 300 contestants participating in the 13th edition of the National Championship. It's time both the private and the public sector join hands to take the game to the next level. With cameraman Yogesh, this is Tapush Bhattacharya, TD News, Delhi.
Well, time for us to slip into a final breather here on the public broadcaster. On the other side, the